So you can have a working set of files and then just use natural language to be able to change across all files. So Copilot's gone full multi-file. And with workspaces, Copilot is the most advanced and the first agentic AI-native IDE. Copilot Workspaces, leverages agents from start to finish, right? You can go from sort of basically an issue to a spec to plan to code all in natural language. And just last month at GitHub Universe, we added agents on both ends of the workflow, right? One for ideation and one for automatically building and repairing code. And we're not just stopping with just writing code. We are building software agents across the entire life cycle, from testing to deployment. And we can tackle these complex code maintenance tasks, like upgrading an app framework. Right here, you have this example of a Java framework where you're applying updates, iterating until, in fact, that all of your code builds and all the tests pass. And so that's just an agent that's doing that for you. Agents can also improve, in fact, performance. This is pretty cool, right? Which is performance engineering agent, effectively, by creating performance benchmarks, running them, iterating on the code until, in fact, you find a solution and you pass the performance evals. And finally, agents can also help you go from, seamlessly from idea to implementation all the way to production by creating all the resources on Azure, right? So, and deploying it. So think of all of the DevOps functions and having an agent for it. And all of this innovation is what we're working on, and it'll just ship in the months to come. So we're very excited about it. Now, so far, we've talked a lot about how AI can drive productivity by understanding fundamentally the language of business. But AI can also drive fundamental business transformation by understanding the language of nature and science. Right? Science itself is becoming computed science. And that's one of the reasons why we are focusing on delivering the systems and AI innovation to power breakthroughs in material science, chemistry, physics, and more. And our new frontier in AI-powered science is moving from static prediction to dynamic prediction, meaning not just predicting the shape of the molecules, but understanding the dynamics, their motion, and how they interact, which is a critical step in developing new materials and new medicines.